Okay, so this is the case itself. It looks kind of nice.
Yeah.
It's in this little bag here. Oh my gosh. What is up, everybody? Intense Gamer here
And Q-Boy.
from Tech Twins, and today we're very happy because our I9000 TWS came. We're a little suspicious because it came in this weird box, which does not say I9000 TWS, but we're gonna do an unboxing anyway. So yeah. Actually, before we do that, let's just read something on the box. So we got JoyRoom. It's a tradition now. JoyRoom 2020 MGC1 Hi-Fi Air earphone. Let's flip it to the. Okay, there's nothing here, no fake Apple logos or anything. Here are the AirPods and a bunch of stuff that nobody wants to see.
So these i9000s are not trying to sort of disguise themselves as, at least their box as Apple AirPods, but as you'll get into the moment, they are almost perfect clones. Now let's unbox it. ASMR.
So let's get to the box. It's not like Apple products where you just lift it up and this comes down. It needs some force, which means it's like, it's torturing, right? Yeah, you gotta shake it and get your nails under there and finally open it up. Okay, so this is the case itself. It looks kind of nice.
Yeah.
It's in this little bag here. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, that feels way nicer than our other ones.
Oh, let me feel it.
Right on the top right here.
Oh, ASMR.
Oh, okay. Right on the top right here, I did an unboxing on the i11s. This one feels, oh my gosh, so much better. So one thing that you might want to take in consideration is it does say JoyRoom right on the AirPods right there, but I don't really care. Oh my gosh. All right, we're going to bring out an iPhone and let's see from out of the box if we can get the, what is it called?
A W1 chip to pair with it. Alright, we're in Bluetooth. We put them out of the thing. And it looks like they're looking for something to pair with.
Oh yeah, there they are. MGC1. Let's pair with them. Connected. So I'm just going to play something just to make sure that they are both connected. Okay, so the sound quality is actually pretty well. Like, it's way better than the i11 TWS. Then again, click the card up here if you want to see that for some reason. Let me just play something and then put it up to the mic to see if you can kind of get a sense for the sound quality.
Wait, let's put it in frame. Let's put it in frame. So the sound quality is surprisingly really good.
See these little holes up there? You can tap them and it will pause and play the music. And double tap will switch the track, I believe. Okay, so I can't get double tap to switch the track, but it's good having a feature where you just tap your AirPod to pause it, tap it to play again. That's pretty cool.
For all you people who just want to get it for the case and just for this, I can assure you it is a tiny bit easier than the real AirPods, but you still get that satisfaction with the magnetic clip on the back.
So now let's test out the supposed W1
chip.
W1 chip. Nope. Not working.
Take them out and see.
Okay, so we could not get the W1 chip to work, but they do automatically connect once you take them out of their case.
Scam! They said they had the W1 chip. But it's still a really good deal for, what, 15 bucks?
Yeah, it's amazing to see how cheap AirPods have evolved in the past years. So now to the key question that you've all probably been waiting for. Should you buy these? Heck yeah, I think we got them for 16 bucks. And they're basically a one-to-one clone, except for this JoyRoom thing right there.
And no W1 chip, but really, who's gonna care about that?
Yeah, you open them up, take them out, and they connect. And this is so satisfying.
It feels exactly like the real AirPods. And this is a one-to-one size replica. So this is the exact same size as a real AirPods, mine the JoyRoom, has the same LED.
And if we open up the thing here, the AirPods are actually, as I've seen on many clones, they're way too big. But on these, they really got the size perfect. So that is the end of the video. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.